Hi, this is TJ at Cotton Frolic. I'm here with Carol today, and she's going to show you a new pattern coming out and with 4 new blocks. So here's Carol.
Hi, everybody. We've been away for a while. We had the holidays, and Jay spent a little time in the hospital. Yay.
No, yay.
I know, a whole week in intensive care, but he's okay now. So far, so good.
I got better.
We're keeping on. The little quilt today I named Shenandoah, and this is the one that made me think of Shenandoah. When we were kids, I lived in suburban Maryland, just outside D.C., and I think it was our vacation every year just to drive down into the Shenandoah Valley and buy a crate full of apples that seemed to last forever with my 4 siblings and I. But I thought about all the white apple blossoms that were there in the spring, and then the first time I ever saw beehives, I saw them along the Skyline Drive at some of the apple orchards. And anyway, this little quilt just made me think of those trips into the, to Luray and Front Royal. It was beautiful. And I took some of the little blocks out of here and made 4, just 2 blocks actually. I was kind of on a roll. And I know that these are crazy, wonky colors, but they're my colors. You're welcome to do them in any color you like. I should probably make some blue and white and red and white blocks so you can see them in something that makes sense to you. The little hearts here, I see Jay laid these here on my table. I have hundreds of them. I'm working on a big project. And I've gotten so many comments from all of you about so many different things, and I want to address everything. Somebody's asking about the heart pattern. I mentioned that a long time ago, and I meant to dig out all my little hearts and make sure that they're my design and not somebody else's design. So I'm working on that. We'll have a heart soon. I just love all these little hearts. The complete pattern for the Shenandoah quilt is now in my Etsy shop. If you'd like to have the entire quilt pattern, that's available, but the individual blocks are available too. We've set them aside separately if that's what you'd prefer. Tutorials for the individual blocks are available on my YouTube channel at Cotton Frolic. Just look for the blocks by number 1, 110, 112, and 114.